Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Tesla, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in Tesla, first, familiarize yourself with the company's background and mission. Research Tesla's current stock performance and market trends. Visit financial news websites to gather information on Tesla's latest developments. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable platform that offers access to Tesla stock. Complete the necessary registration and verification process. Fund your brokerage account by transferring money from your bank. Determine how much money you want to invest in Tesla. Consider your investment strategy. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? Analyze Tesla's financial health using key metrics like earnings reports and revenue growth. Review expert opinions and analyst ratings on Tesla stock. Decide when you want to buy Tesla shares based on your analysis. Place your order through your brokerage platform, selecting either market or limit order options. Set your target price if placing a limit order to ensure you buy at your desired rate. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about Tesla's performance. Diversify your portfolio by considering investments in other sectors or companies. Stay updated with news affecting Tesla, including innovations and market competition. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy as necessary based on market conditions. Consider joining investment communities or forums to share insights and gain perspectives. Evaluate your investment periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Decide when to sell based on your investment strategy and market performance. Keep learning to improve your investing skills and knowledge over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.